Which of the following statements about iron metabolism is incorrect? So before that, just a brief overview on iron metabolism. So what happens is the heme ion in the food, what iron is there, it gets divided into the heme ion binds here, and the heme ion now will become non-heme ion. So that non-heme ion or ferrous ion will ultimately get stored as a part of it will get stored as a ferric or the ferritin component. But at the same time, what will happen is in the duodenum, there will be transfer of the ion or the F2, and who is transporting the molecule which is called as transferrin is helping the transport of iron. So here we have the ferroportin one. Portin is nothing but to transport. You know the porter app to transport, right? Okay. So ferroportin is helping to transport the iron to various parts of the body. Okay, from where it goes to the marrow, it goes to the different sites of the body where RBCs are produced, and some amount of iron gets stored in the form of ferritin. So ferritin is nothing but the storage form of iron. Okay, so this is the overall process of iron metabolism. So in the question that they are asking us, which of the following statements about iron metabolism is not correct? Free iron in serum is toxic to the cells. Yes, that's the reason why the free iron is never left free. Okay, the iron either gets converted to ferritin or it is transported and used as some molecules which are required for the body. So this is correct. Iron is stored in the body primarily in the form of ferritin. Again, is correct. Ferritin is nothing but the storage form of iron. Serum ferritin reflects iron stores in the body is correct. So if this is my storeroom of the body, ferritin is nothing but the storage form of iron. Last, iron is transported in the body by binding to apoferritin. Now, remember that apoferritin is not the molecule. Apoferritin is nothing but the precursor which is helping just to stick the iron. But what do we have to understand is the name transferrin itself has the answer transfer. Okay, so iron is transported in the body by binding to transferrin and not to apoferritin. So transferrin molecule is the right answer. So here we have the plasma transferrin here. So this is the vehicle in which the iron goes to the body. Okay.
To watch the full video, download our app on App Store and Play Store.